Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the QQQ ETF in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of December, 2024, and we are here now to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.26. Now let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has achieved a gain of 6.17%. This results in an average return of 0.17% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise may be on the horizon. The prevailing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 9.42% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 7.49% to 13.95%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 23.67% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between 12.57% and 28.15%. This projects a price range of approximately $588.24 to $669.64 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF features the headline, "A Red Day on Friday for QQQ." On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 27th of December in the year 2024, the QQ ETF price decreased by 1.33%, dropping from $529.60 to $522.56. Throughout that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.65%, with a low of $517.87 and a high of $526.43. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.75% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased by 15 million shares on the last day, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 34 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $17.56 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $539.15, while the lowest was $395.35. Currently, the price stands 3.08%, or $16.59, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ ETF has demonstrated impressive performance recently, with total returns of 54% in 2023 and 30% this year, marking a strong upward trend in large-cap growth stocks, particularly driven by the artificial intelligence sector. However, a recent article suggests that this momentum might falter, as the major ETFs, including QQQ, are expected to face potential declines in 2025. Despite current weaknesses, analysts believe QQQ remains a solid play for those invested in technology and AI. With the Nasdaq 100, comprising many AI-enabled companies, showing a year-to-date gain of nearly 28%, it indicates robust investor confidence in technology. This confidence can maintain QQQ's valuation in the short term, though prices may become more volatile as we enter 2025. As we head into January, seasonal trends typically boost market performance, although there are concerns about a possible sell-off. If investors shift their focus towards less volatile investments or diversify into free cash flow ETFs, it could signify a strategic pivot impacting QQQ's stock price dynamics. Overall, while the current outlook for QQQ remains strong, vigilance will be necessary as market conditions evolve in the new year. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Today, the exchange-traded fund presents mixed signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, December 16, 2024, resulting in a decrease of 2.9% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday's volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, closer monitoring of the ETF is advisable. The QQQ ETF does provide buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a positive outlook for the ETF. Moreover, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from levels at $522.04 and $516.63. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger offers a buy signal from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 38 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average presents a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 77 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $518.66. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund demonstrates controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is perceived to be very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $8.56 between its high and low, representing 1.65%. Additionally, throughout the last week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 1.63%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest a subdued expectation for the company's future or indicate that the ETF is undervalued, pointing to a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $522.87. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $518.66. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $502.93, which represents a decline of 3.76%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, indicating a minimal risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good investment option? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a promising buying opportunity. There is a reasonable expectation for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the recent volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of December, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower by approximately 27 cents, starting at $522.29. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from everyone at Stock Invest.